Hello, this is JP Hrisoulas for the next installment on my Hilting the Wootz Kindjhal. Now, I forgot to mention something in my earlier videos. One is about the state of the bronze bars. If you're buying extruded bars, they are not fully flat. If you get above, like say, 3/4 of an inch wide, there's going to be a slight curve to them. And those will have to be addressed so you don't have any gaps in the mating surfaces. You don't want any gaps in there. You want the solder to flow, so you want a full contact surface between the two pieces. That's easy enough to do if you got a nice belt grinder, or if you got an end mill and just put a fly cutter on it and just plane it on down. But since I don't have one of those hoity-toity pieces of equipment, I just got my little mill drill, which is more than adequate for what I need to do. With that being said, once you get that all mated up, you can just go ahead and solder it without any problems. If you don't do that, you could have problems. Every piece of bronze, every piece of brass, actually any extruded bar I've ever gotten has always had a slight curve to it. It's annoying as hell, but once you get used to it, it's easy enough to fix. And since I basically forge all my bronze guards, that really doesn't matter to me that much at all. So I'm going to go ahead and get this soldered. It's already been, trued up and everything. Got the first thing on it. I'm going to put this down right here while I fire up the torch, and we'll go ahead and sweat that together. I got my extra solder here if we need that. So here we go. Same thing as last time. We're going to play around with the torch here a little bit. You want a nice soft flame. Don't want anything too totally horrendously hot. And here we go. So I'm playing it around on the top. Getting that nice and heat. It's using the same solder as last time. You see it starting to bubble. Keep bubbling there. Play it around the bottom. Now let's see if I can actually show it flowing here. It should start flowing any time now. Play it around the side, flip it over a little bit, get it hot under there. And here it goes. See it suck it in there? All the way around. That's where you want. See it flowing? All the way around. I'm going to turn this torch off. I'll hit it with a flux brush. You should be able to see the solder line. See it? See it there? That's what you want to see. You get a few bubbles in there. That's the flux bubbling out. That's okay. It'll come out. After this, let's let air cool. We drill the holes. Do the other side. And we pin. And then after that, we'll be paring these down a little bit and put the grip scales on. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Please hit the like button if you like the video. If you only sort of like the video, please hit the like button. Please. Anyway. Anybody have any questions or anything, please feel free to leave them in the comments. If anybody knows how I can get my viewer counts up, that would be great. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm still learning. And believe me, this old dog's learned some real new tricks. So until then, the next installment will be doing the other side. Have a pleasant evening. May the wise Lord keep you. Bye-bye.